the surrounding or the association effect all comprises or finally comes out to be a personality of a person. So, in one of the main attribute for a good personality is effective communication. So I have come to the first two words of the topic from the third word. The effective communication is, I think, equal with the core competency attribute is the main requirement for a good personality. I'll tell you how. In many, I'll discuss about the development word also. Because we will discuss bit later. Once we have, tell me, am I okay with you people? Are you people are understanding of? आवाज चाहिए आवाज. Yes, sir. Because otherwise it's not a communication. We are talking of going to talk on effective communication. The feedback, I'll speak to you. So, with your response, yes, sir, I have become more confident now on the dais. I was saying that effective communication and development of the personality we will see on a later part of our discussion. Personality understood, it's a total overall outcome of a person aesthetically, externally, intrinsically, how you think, what you read, and your action and reaction at various situations. Test of a true leader, I'll just one feeler line. Test of a true leader is always seen or judged or rated in a situation full of adverse condition. If you are in a comfort zone, your leadership ability cannot be judged. Your true assessment of any leadership of a leader will be judged in a condition where all the odds are there, where how he reacts to odd situation, how he reacts to the adverse conditions. So, leadership, personality is all, synonym. So, judgment in adverse condition, just keep it in mind. Now, let's talk of effective communication. There is two words again, communication and then, preceded with effective. So, can anybody say what is effectiveness? Quick, because time is very precious. If a batsman hits a ball for a 6 on the last ball of a 2020 and the run required to win the match is 6, he is 100% effective. Although for the last 10 innings, he has not scored any good run. So, he is effective because the result, we want result at the time of requirement. So, doing the right thing at the right time will always make you effective. Efficiency is separate. We will say output by input. So, we will not go into that. So, effectiveness, now we have come to know what is effective. Communication. Communication is nothing, very simple. Exchange of information, exchange of data from one person to another or group of person. The communication will take place between two persons or between a person and more than one person. Correct? No? The person who is going to communicate the message, it can be a, qualitative and quantitative both. Why I said quality? Because emotions are also, communicated. मुझे दुख है तो ये भी मैं कम्युनिकेट कर सकता हूं. ओके, सो emotion, the text, the message, the information, the data in today's world is communicated from the sender to the receiver. Correct? And the information, there is a source of sender receives the information. The information, sender, source, sender, encoding, medium,